I'm here to show you guys the easiest way to make money. 15 seconds and you guys can make who knows how much money. I'm not a calculator, but you guys can make money. 15 seconds is all that it takes. Trust me. 15 seconds. Wait. Add hustle too though. 15 seconds and hustle, you guys got you $1. What is up, my good people? Styles here, back at you with another video. If you guys are just finding my channel, hey, perfect timing. Hit the subscribe button. Here to help you guys make money. This is football season, and let me tell you, as a sports parent, no greater customer base than a sports parent. I firsthand can tell you, I spent countless amounts of time and money trying to find a t-shirt guy, and hey, all the while, I was that guy. So you can be that guy or that gal. Let me show you guys how. Bars? Anyway, you guys can pick you up some stock transfers and get started. Minimal effort, and most of these companies offer free software to help you guys get started with pre-made templates and clip art, which takes no design effort whatsoever. Plug and play, basically. All you gotta do is apply the hustle. Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and get you guys started. 360 degrees, 15 seconds, show you guys how easy it is to apply these transfers, and you guys can get started today. I mean, you guys can get started however, whenever you guys decide to make that step. All you guys need is the heat press, the computer, and the hustle. The free game is what I'm here to give you guys all day. So, anyway, it don't take much. You guys can get these transfers anywhere. Quality differs, so do your homework. But it don't take much. Just a little know-how, which is why I'm here. Hustle, which is why you're here, because anyway, 15 seconds, 360 degrees, we get you guys in and out. You guys can go ahead and be productive. Okay, so we got our screen printed transfers here. You can get these from anywhere from 15 cents to $5. Depending on the quality, you're going to spend more money, so keep that in mind. These transfers are at 350 degrees for 15 seconds. And now when dealing with transfers, you want to make sure that you have your press set for heavy pressure. And you're going to go ahead and, first of all, pre-press your garment. A few seconds, this is going to get all the moisture and steam out of the garment. Once you've done that, go ahead and take your design. And you want to go 4 fingers down from the collar. Assure equal parts distance from the left to the right seam. And we'll see you in 15 seconds. The privilege has been all mine. This has been Styles. You guys have been far too kind. Hope to see you around sometime. Share some of that kindness with others. Catch you around. 15 seconds. Cool t-shirt. Now go get rich. It's a great idea. If you figure 50 or more transfers, it's about $1.50 to $2 per transfer. T-shirts between $2 to $5 depending on what kind of t-shirt you get and all the other. For the most part, great option.